This is Tony. Tony is a beginner copywriter who plans to make his fortune writing emails on the internet. And this is Matthew. He's made over $1 million online, and there's one key secret that Matthew knows about copywriting, which Tony doesn't. Man, Tony is an idiot.
Before I give you the secret, I need to set the scene for you first. If you're new to this whole make money online thing and you've chose copywriting as your game, I can tell you you've made an amazing decision. But now you have an even more important decision to make. All right, let's go.
Let's say there are two boats trying to get to the treasure chest. That there's a good wee treasure chest. In this case, the treasure chest is 10K a month as a copywriter. So let's say in boat one, you choose to follow all the other copywriting gurus' advice and become an email copywriter. It'll take you a long, windy route to get there. And there are gonna be 1 million other boats clogging up the river that you go down, AKA other beginners. Simply put, there will be lots of other beginner copywriters doing the same thing as you. But let's say in boat number 2, you decide to go a new unsaturated route. A route where it's only you and a few other enlightened beginners who know how to get to the treasure a lot faster. So now you're thinking, Matthew, what is this unsaturated route? How do I get in boat 2 and bypass all the other boats? Well, now I want to introduce to you YouTube scripts. Now you're probably thinking, why YouTube scripts? How is that even copywriting? Well, learning to write YouTube scripts is quite easily the most lucrative copywriting opportunity I've seen in all of my years of copywriting. Because if you haven't noticed, YouTubers are making an absolute fortune right now. Even boring business channels like this one from William Brown are making over $350,000 a month. And if you already watch content on YouTube, you'll know a lot about what's going on in the space that you watch. So you're in the perfect position to do this. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I moved here to Dubai on a bit of a whim. I didn't really plan anything. I just knew I needed to get out of Ireland and live somewhere that would allow me to grow my business. Dubai seemed like the ideal place for me because every YouTube creator and online business owner seemed to be moving here. So I landed in January, and the first few months were insanely difficult. I really missed my family and my friends, and I was having to build a completely new life from scratch, which is not easy. I wasn't even meeting anyone who had an actual business, so this all felt like I had made a massive mistake moving here. Then one morning, I joined a YouTube mastermind group to help me grow my business. I met up with a few YouTubers that were inside it here in Dubai, and very quickly I realized that they all had one thing in common. They all had so much money, but no actual time to write their YouTube scripts. So they would happily pay someone to do that for them. Now, these guys are making 50K a month. So they would gladly pay $1,000 a script to a good scriptwriter because it would make them more money. And I realized that this is a massive opportunity for anyone who's starting out as a copywriter. I mentioned to these YouTuber guys that I was with that I actually have a private coaching community for copywriters. So if you want to make money as a copywriter, you join this and we help you accelerate your progress. And I told them that if I put some good trainings together on YouTube scriptwriting in that program, I might be able to link some beginner copywriters with these big YouTubers and everybody wins. Then the weekend passed, and on Monday morning, I'm not even joking, every single person who was at that meetup had messaged me asking for scriptwriters. It's insane. If the YouTuber can pay you $1,000 a script and he makes 4 videos per month, that's $4,000 per month for writing YouTube scripts. Not to mention writing their community posts on YouTube, their emails, their Instagram content, their blogs. YouTube scripting is an untapped market, which will also open the door and open up a world of opportunities for you if you're a good copywriter. Now, I'll be honest, this is a massive opportunity, but only if you're prepared with the right tools to succeed. You have to be actually practicing copywriting every single day and putting in the work. Now, while this is a mega opportunity for anybody starting out, this information is absolutely useless to you if you don't understand how to get clients and stand out from everyone else who's doing YouTube scripts. That's why you need to watch this video if you want to stand any chance of making money as a copywriter.
Where are the camels?